Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2009 question 10. This question has two parts. Part A is a sine equation, and Part B is an application of trigonometry involving the shadow of a pole. Part A says, given that 5 sin of x equals 4.33, where x is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, find x, correct to the nearest degree. Part B says, the length of the shadow of a pole on level ground increases by 60 meters when the angle of elevation of the sun changes from 54 degrees to 32 degrees. We are asked to calculate the height of the pole, correct to three significant figures. Let us begin with part A. We need to solve for x. The first step is to make sin of x stand alone. 5 sin of x equals 4.33. Sin of x equals 4.33 over 5. To make sin of x the subject, divide both sides by 5. So, sin of x equals 0.866. Sin of x equals 0.866. X equals sin up to the power of minus 1, 0.866. To find the angle x, we use inverse sine. This means we are asking, what angle has sine equal to 0.866? Using inverse sine, tan is approximately 60 degrees. Therefore, correct to the nearest degree, x equals 60 degrees. This framed result is the final answer for the question. When the sun is higher. The angle of elevation is larger. And the shadow is shorter. "54 degrees implies shorter shadow. Now, let us understand part B. When the sun is higher in the sky, the angle of elevation is larger and the shadow is shorter. So the 54 degrees angle gives the shorter shadow, while the 32 degrees angle gives the longer shadow. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. RQ equals X. PR equals 60 meters centimeters. PQ equals PR plus RQ. PQ equals 60 plus X. The height of the pole is the same in both triangles. So we will write one expression for H using the 54 degrees triangle and another expression for H using the 32 degrees triangle. Then we equate them. From triangle ROQ, the angle at R is 54 degrees. The opposite side is the height H, and the adjacent side is the shorter shadow X. So we use tangent because tangent is opposite over adjacent. To make h the subject, multiply both sides by x. So, h equals x tan of 54 degrees. We call this equation 1. From triangle POQ, the angle at P is 32 degrees. The opposite side is still the height, h, and the adjacent side is the longer shadow, 60 plus x. Again, we use tangent because we have opposite over adjacent. To make h the subject, multiply both sides by 60 plus x. We call this equation 2. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. H equals x tan of 54 degrees. H equals 60 plus x tan of 32 degrees. Both equations are equal to the same height, h. Therefore, we can set the right-hand sides equal to each other. This equation allows us to solve for x. X tan of 54 degrees equals 60 plus x tan of 32 degrees. 60 plus x over x equals tan of 54 degrees over tan of 32 degrees. Tan of 54 degrees over tan of 32 degrees, 2.2. $60 plus x over x equals 2.2. $60 plus x over x equals 2.2. $60 plus x equals 2.2x. $60 equals 2.2x x. $60 equals 1.2x. X equals 60 over 1.2. X equals 50. H equals x tan of 54 degrees. H equals 50 tan of 54 degrees. Now that we know x, we use equation 1 to find the height of the pole. Substitute x equals 50. This gives h equals 68.8 meters. Therefore, the height of the pole is 68.8 meters, correct to 3 significant figures. This framed result is the final answer for the question. Part A. 5 sin of x equals 4.33. Sin of x equals 0.866. For part A, we divided by 5, use inverse sign, and got x equals 60 degrees. For part B, we let the shorter shadow be x, so the longer shadow became 60 plus x. Then we used tangent in the two right-angled triangles, solved for x, and found the height, h equals 68.8 meters. Part B. RQ equals x. PQ equals 60 plus x. H equals x tan of 54 degrees. H equals 60 plus x tan of 32 degrees. X equals 50. H equals 50 tan of 54 degrees. For part A, we divided by 5, use inverse sine, and got x equals 60 degrees. For part B, we let the shorter shadow be x, so the longer shadow became 60 plus x. Then we used tangent in the two right-angled triangles, solved for x, and found the height, h equals 68.8 meters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.